Hi, this is Braden. Today I wanted to show you, I found this thing called Fear of God Kilt, or I think Fear of God is like the brand. I don't really know that much about it, but it apparently has a big following, and I think that Justin Bieber wore it. It's, according to this listing, it's almost $700. And the funny thing is it's basically nothing like a real kilt. It's got like a sweatband, like a sweatpants top, and with a drawstring, and just a random fold of fabric in the back. It does look to be made out of some type of plaid. It is made out of plaid. But I thought it would be fun to make a version of it. I don't have that same fabric they do, but I thought I'd want to give it a try. So I hope you enjoy. I found this sweatpants style skirt at a yard sale a long time ago, and I think it'll work good for this. It has holes here for a drawstring. I'm only going to need about this much of it. And here's my material for the bottom part. And this is the piece for the flap in the back. That's all I need. I'm changing the original design by adding this part here, which will be like make it look like a normal kilt with a front apron. The problem is the way I wrapped it around, I didn't measure it right, so the front is all the way over here. So it'll be closing too far to the right, so I gotta redo that. Here we go. Here's what would normally be the fringe on a normal kilt. Here's the flap sewn on the back. I tried to get the proportions right from the photograph. It might be a little bit too wide, but I'm not making it identical anyway. I have mine just a little bit shorter than what they have. But so I'll get that sewed on, and then I think I'll be ready to try it. Well, I gotta get the drawstring in, and then I'll be ready to try it on. Here's my drawstring. Here's a wire. here it is. It was a pretty quick, fun, easy thing to make. I kind of like that the original thing is so expensive. And I like experimenting with different types of men's clothing. So, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.